Ayan. So, hello po. So, ito, piniflex ko ulit itong ating coin size Bluetooth speaker. May isi-share po ako sa inyo. Alam niyo po ba na itong ating coin size Bluetooth speaker ay mayroong dual pairing function, dual speaker effect, controlled by one mobile device at the same time. As you can see sa video, sabay ko siyang inon. Tapos yung isa, kinuha ko. Ito naman, i-double quick click nyo. Yan. So, ganyan. After nun, i-open nyo na po yung inyong Bluetooth sa inyong cellphone para i-connect. Ayan, so connected na siya. So magta-try tayo ng music.
Personally, I'll do more than support your dreams, baby. Get you and me. It's time to boss up. Fix your credit, girl. Get at it. Get your.
Ayan, kaya naman kung gusto niyo po ng naka-dual effect, mag-check out po kayo